There's nowhere left to go. Harry deported after final decision of federal judge. King Charles rejects him too. According to multiple reports from reliable inside sources, it appears that Prince Harry's time in America may be coming to an end. As you may know, Harry stepped down from his royal duties in 2020 and moved to California with his wife Meghan Markle. Their decision was motivated by a desire for financial independence and freedom from the intense media scrutiny that comes with senior royal status. Unfortunately, things haven't gone as planned since they moved to the U.S. Harry and Meghan have faced constant criticism from their business dealings to their public comments about the royal family, and now the situation has taken a significant turn. Reportedly, a federal judge in California has issued a final ruling that could lead to Harry's deportation from the U.S. This legal battle stems from an ongoing dispute between Harry and the government regarding his immigration status as a non-U.S. citizen. Harry is only allowed to stay in the country on specific visas tied to his work or as a dependent of Meghan Markle, who has dual British American citizenship. However, last year it was discovered that Harry's work permit had expired and he was residing in the U.S. on an expired visa. The government launched an investigation, and immigration lawyers argued that Harry had exploited the terms of his visa to obtain permanent resident status without following proper legal channels. This raised concerns amongst officials who believe that Harry, as a celebrity, was being given special treatment and was not following the same rules as other immigrants. After months of legal wrangling, the case culminated last week when Federal District Court Judge Robert S. Mueller III issued a final ruling. Reports suggest Judge Mueller spent more than an hour meticulously working on what he needed to work on, outlining his reasons for siding with the government's claim that Harry had violated U.S. visa regulations. Mueller rejected the defense's arguments that Harry's work was tied to charitable causes or a potential security risk if he returned to the U.K., firmly stating that no one, including the member of the British royal family, was above the law. The judge asserted that Harry had abused privileges granted under the visa and made no genuine effort to maintain his legal status. He added that Harry appeared to believe his fame exempted him from complying with the nation's laws. As a result, Judge Miller revoked Harry's current visa and prohibited him from applying for another visa for immigration assistance in the future. He gave Harry 30 days to voluntarily leave the U.S. or face deportation. Sources said Harry was surprised by the severity of the sentence and asked for more time to sort out the affairs. However, the judge rejected his plea, pointing out that Harry had numerous opportunities over the past years to resolve the matter and leave the country legally if he did not want to comply with the regulations. Eyewitnesses recalled that Harry left the courtroom in a state of shock and chaos, immediately calling friends back in England for help, expressing concern over the impending deportation order. News of the verdict quickly spread online, sparking reactions from all over the world. The couple's supporters criticized the decision as cruel and callous, while critics said it demonstrated that no one is immune from the law. Meghan is said to be inconsolable at the prospect of her husband being forced to leave the country. Over the weekend, royal sources were abuzz about this shocking event, saying that Prince Charles King Charles, and other senior royals had expected some fallout from Harry's immigration issue, but never expected an outright deportation. There are concerns about the impact that this will have on Harry and Meghan's mental health and their already strained relationship with the royal family. King Charles is said to be ready to support his son in any way possible if necessary. The Queen herself was also supposed to be saddened by the turmoil her grandson was facing. Aide suggested that she believed Harry had voluntarily chosen his own path and was aware of the potential consequences of separating completely from the organization.